This is always a great way to start a video, especially when we haven't done a video in like 3 weeks or so. Here's to add to our busyness. Wife told me, we don't have that much to pack up or anything. Oh yeah, by the way, we sold the house. But yeah, this was just the attic. The floor I threw up in the attic. And well, those are empty. Those are empty. We're getting there with that. But if y'all can't tell, something a little bit loud outside. It took me 4 weeks. 4 weeks. But we got her back. Yes, sir. Woo. All right, so we're going to go check out the new house-ish. New house-ish. That would have been good. Almost forgot the keys to the new house. Oh, that would have been bad, bad, bad. But if you can tell, these ones are a little different. Here we go, everyone. So we're selling our house, but we don't actually have a place to go to right now. Cash keeps outbidding us for, the level of house that we're looking at. So boom. This is kind of a little bit of a dream come true because growing up as a kid, I'm sorry, it's just way too cold. We're going to go inside here in just a minute, but growing up as a kid, we didn't have any money, so our camping was literally your little blue tarp, like the blue tarp tents. Oh goodness, gosh, you'd almost think I forgot to drive an automatic. Oh my gosh. But yeah, we had the little blue tarp tent and was never able to do very well on camping. And if it was cold outside, by gosh, you were cold. It didn't matter how well you bundled up. So we're gonna jump in here and check out the new La Casa for a while until what we're doing is we are buying property and we're gonna build. Then we'll be moving this camper over to that property as soon as we got water, septic, and all that stuff run up. But she's a Flagstaff, if you can see it back there, but we'll go ahead and jump inside. All right, let's head in. Ooh. Yeah, we're leaving the old girl running. It's freaking cold out. I never complained about the summertime because I freaking hate the winter. Hey, I've been here so few times, I don't even know where my freaking lights are. That's the fan, but we definitely don't need that right now. No. That says steps. I don't know if that's outside, inside, what that is. Woo! Heck, man, I need to turn this sucker on. Jeez Louise. Well, we'll get back to that because I literally just set the place up yesterday and just got the slide outs out. So we're going from 4,000 square foot home to this. So there's going to be a great series on how a family with 2 kids and 2 Australian Shepherds work out inside of this type of scenario here. We did pay a decent amount extra here. Oh, yeah. Yep. And it says the heat control's up there. So it's just saying it's 32 degrees in here. Holy crap. Whew. It's 32 degrees in here. That little guy helped me just while I'm in here since I don't know how to work anything else yet. So, here we go. We did pay a little extra for this, but it was just so we could legitimately go ahead and let our daughter have her own bedroom in here. She actually has her own door, so she has her privacy. Being 9 years old, I feel like that's what she's going to want. And this is for a very brief time. And we also thought we needed the washer and dryer, so... But her and her friends can come have their little fun here. Little type of bunk bed scenario here. There's the ladder, so I need to put up. Back to manual washing of dishes, but I did that growing up. Let's see here. I think everything's regular size other than that. But we do have a full-size fridge here. Oh, man. I haven't even checked out the fridge. I haven't undone it yet. How is it? I don't know. What the? There we go. Now that I'm not being special. Full-size fridge. It's always nice for all the cooking that we're probably not going to do in here. But... Woohoo! Huh. All this comes down low. Your charging units. Yep. Put that back. That one folds out to a bed. Your flat screen. There's a kitchen also outside down in that corner with a little mini fridge and then stovetop and everything. Got a decent amount of storage. Oh, I guess there's the technical information about everything. Lifetime warranty from the good old people at A&L RV. Lifetime warranty. Heck yeah. Because I'll screw something up. I always do. Our little bathroom. I'm not very good at this whole opening things, am I? Oh, there. Whew. Yeah. Oh, yeah, and this one's set up to where you can save your water, which we are lucky here at the RV park that we are at. All the water is included, everything except for the electric is included in the price. So for the price of this versus our house while we're buying land and building, we'll almost save about $1,000 a month versus the house. So, but I'm sure a lot of that will be used to go enjoy the family and have more fun and tug this thing around behind the truck doing things. There's a light switch in here. I don't know. You got all your chargers out there too. And we're going from what is honestly, I will say, it's a pretty ridiculous, massive master walk-in closet to, yep. That'd be a little bit of a change. And heck, I guess I'll be walking through most of the time this way because it's a heck of a lot easier for a boy my size. From a king size bed to, yep. And when the little guy still tries to get into our bed, that's going to be even tighter quarters for me. But luckily, I'll be at the station half the time, so my wife won't have to worry too much. How does that work? Ooh, that's nice. Ooh. That is electric, so I'm going to probably try to heat this place with that so I don't burn through propane every single day. Woo! Oh, that's nice. Whew. All right, but yeah, and the lot is 25 by 50. Yeah, 25 by 50. So, that was a step. I don't know. Oh no, on that one. Oh yeah, we got the little extra table if you need some room. And just some extras. This thing changes like 14 different colors. So, but we'll go ahead and turn that little guy off. We'll finish setting it up tomorrow. But for right now, wait, I'll give you a quick gander around the exterior. It's got the really nice steps. I'm trying to walk into my truck. Look. So stepping back and away. That's where your little kitchen's at. Everything's already insulated, so we gotta get the septic line and a heated hose line to put right there. There's our little baby closet. The auto level worked out great. Then we got 2 propanes. But heck, I might use that little fireplace the most. Yep, she'll look good tucked behind the truck. It'll look good. But anyways, let's jump on to the next part of the video. Well, here we go, everyone. Here's the family. We're going on a family trip to go see my cousin and all those people. Well, we made it about, it's a 3.5 hour trip. We made, what, 15 minutes down the interstate? Yeah. Well, just got the rear end fixed in my truck and, well, it just blew out again. I love you, Chevy. Yep. Going back to Ford. Never had a problem with Ford. Should have kept the first 14 of them I bought. Anyways, I just thought I'd give that real crappy update. So we're sitting here waiting on a rental car, I believe. And you have a 2-year-old in here that doesn't like to stay in a vehicle, just sitting here doing nothing. So, well, heck, maybe we can go into good old Wally World for a little bit. You know, the nice local little mall. But I guess on to hopefully better news.
I sure hope so.
Alrighty, guys, we planned on a whole lot more being on this video, but with whatever happened to mess up my truck and the rear end and everything, well, that was really a buzzkill for the weekend, so we really didn't record anything, and now we're over here busy realizing that there's like apparently like 4 junk drawers created over the past 2.5 years that we lived here. But this will be fun. We've got our 2 dogs. There's the little man. The little one is with her mom for right now. The wife and me. And we're going to be doing camper living as we build our dream home. So it's going to be it'll be a whole lot more fun for you all to watch than for us to do it. So if you want to see what it's like with a full family plus a couple of dogs living the camper life, you've seen the camper at the beginning of the video. So let us know what you think, and you can follow along. We'll be doing the camper thing, seeing how well it goes. And then we'll be showing us build our dream house before 30 years old. So we're very lucky to be able to live this life and get to this point, but you got to make a couple sacrifices to be able to get the nice retirement home and live the dream, right, sweetie? Let's see if she'll be able to deal with me in what's almost like a jail cell. It's a very nice jail cell, but I'm so happy you love me, baby. If y'all enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Stopping by for the first time, please subscribe. Y'all have a great night. Let's go. Turn around, Dalton. Wow, she went all the way to the other side of the house. She like disappeared. Yeah. We got the gingerbread house. How is that without actually baking it first? Is that good? No? No? Looks like she... Are you giving up?
No.
I mean, you could put it in the oven first. Soften it up a little bit.
I have to do that with these. Is it just ready to eat? Is it not?
Oh, she looks like she's having some problems. Like,
I
he
mean,
didn't even bite any of it out.
Look how much Dalton ate. He ate the head off.
Dude, he's also an animal.
There he goes.
There it is. Oh, ooh. Is your tooth okay?
Look at Daddy and do that.
Man, you are doing a good job. Look at you. Man, you are doing good though.
It does look good.
I can honestly say I've never even made a gingerbread house, but dang, y'all are doing stellar.
Good job.
Just like I told you earlier, sweetheart, always strive to be better than Daddy. And by gosh, you're doing it right now.
I was gonna say yours would not be standing, so.
Your Jeep's still working.
Your truck's not.
Too soon. Too soon. Too soon.